Hello, welcome to my channel. We'll start with the 8th problem, exercise 6.4. If you want the solutions of earlier problems 7, 6, 5 and all, exercise 6.4, visit my channel. So we'll start. A gardener has 1000 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that the number of rows and number of columns remain the same. Find a minimum number of plants he needs more for this. So we'll start with the problem. He has 1000 plants and he wants to plant it. He wants to plant it in a row and column like this. That means number of rows and number of columns, that is like this. That means it will be a square in a form of a square. That is side into side. So he has to plant those plants, he has to put those plants in such a way in a square form. So we have to find out the number of rows and columns and how many plants that he needs. Let us do it. 1000. First of all, pair it. So it is 3 is 9. So it is 3 is 9. We'll take minus 1 and these 2 zeros carried further. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So we have to take this in such a way that is 61 into 1 is 61. Here it is 100. So we'll try 62 into 2. Here and this number will be the same number. So 2 to the 4 and 6 to the 12. That means we can put 2 here and 2 here. So 32, 62 into 2 is 124. That means he needs 24 more plants. Hello, we'll go on to the next problem, that is the 9th problem, exercise 6.4, 9th problem. There are 500 children in a school. For a PT drill, they have to stand in such a manner that the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. How many children would be left out in this arrangement? That there are 500 children. They have to stand in a row and column. Both should be equal. Indirectly, it should be a square formation. It is row and columns. These are the columns. They should be equal. Rows and columns should be equal. That is, row into columns, if you multiply, you should get a square number. So this 500 we have to find out. First of all, we'll take it by division method. 500, pair it. So it is 2 to the 4, 1 is remaining and 0 minus. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So this is, we can say 40 to the 80. So nearly we can say 41 into 1, if you take, it will be 41 only. That is 100 number. So we'll take it 42 into 2. 2 to the 4 and 2 for the 8. That means this number is 2 and this number is 2. That is 84. If you subtract it, you will be able to see 16. There will be 16 children. There will be 16 extra children. That is, number of rows and number of columns is 22. This is 22 and this is also 22. So 22 into 22 is a square number. So if you add 500 to 16, So if you subtract 500 from 16, it will be a square number. So this is 22 rows and 22 columns, and 16 children are extra. So we conclude with this video here. If you want to know more about mathematics problem, visit my channel and subscribe it. Thank you.